friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you are fine now, friends. In this video we are talking about the Vechain very alert news, and this video keep watch this video till the end, friends. And if you are new to my channel, so please click the subscribe button for more this kind of news and update, friends. Thank you so much for subscribing my channel, friends. As you can see here now on the screen, that is the Vechain, and in this video we talking about the price changes occur in the Vechain. As you can see here, from the previous time the whole changes occur in the Vechain. The price of the Vechain as going down by down. What's the reason behind it and why the price is very badly falls down, friends? In this video I will show you, and as you can see the currently this time price of the Vechain as 0.209527 USD dollar is the currently this time price of the Vechain. In the other hand, if we look the last 1 hour, the last 1 day, the last 1 week price changes occur in the Cardano, so the whole changes occur in the Cardano as negative, friends. That's good. That's really bad news for all Vechain holders, but don't worry. As you can see here, that is the last 1 hour price chart of the Vechain. If we look the currently the last time period of the Vechain, the last 2 hour, so as you can see here the jumping period of the Vechain are again start now. As you can see here, now Vechain ready for the moon. The warning time is finished in this time, friends. The warning and the Vechain warning is finished. Now you are going to the moon if you are a holder, so congratulations. Now the Vechain is time start pumping up for friends, and I hope that this jump is a continuous jump of the Vechain. This pump continues throughout this month, friends. What's your prediction about Vechain? Please share in the comment box. And kindly, friends, my prediction is very positive, friends. And if we look the price changes occur in the 12 hours, so negative 3.56% price change occur in the Vechain in the last 12 hour, and the highest price is 0.216981 USD dollar is the highest price of the Vechain. Absolutely, Vechain holders, it's time to go for the moon. Vechain start again pumping. What's your prediction? Please share in the comment box. And once again I'm telling you to please click the subscribe button for more this kind of news and updates.